What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create WordPress forms with drop-down menus, okay? How to do this into a simple, fast, effective, and free method is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favor. So let me show you one example, okay? Right here. Here is, imagine that this is a form and this is a drop-down menu, okay? So how to create this effect into your WordPress forms, into the WordPress website. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins, you're gonna click into this button and type WP Forms. Click on Install Now. Mine is called Activate because I already have the plugin installed, but yours is gonna be able to see a button called Install Now. Click on Install Now, down click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? Or sometimes the plugin redirects you to the plugin welcome page, okay? Nothing to worry, normal, okay? After this, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again, next to the comment section, or maybe next to the appearance, you're gonna be able to see a new menu, call it WP Forms, this guy right here. Click on it and click on Add New Submenu. Now you can choose the form that you would like to create. I recommend that you use the simple contact form, that is a pre-built form. Click on Use Template to save your time. Then here is the options we have: name, email, and comment. But the standard fields are free, and right here we have the drop down option. Click, hold the button, drag and drop wherever you want. For right here, for example, drop down, we have first choice, second choice, third choice. One more. So we have three choices right here. If you go to the advanced, you can make the style as classic or modern, up to you. We're going to choose this later. Multiple option selection, yes or no, up to you, okay? The field size can be medium, large, small. Dynamic choices. Placeholder text, you can apply a placeholder text in the case that you want. And after doing this, all we have to do is look at the upper right corner of your screen into this orange Save button. Click on it, save the form, and then click on Embed button. You can select an existing page to apply your form or create a new page. I'm gonna create a new page, okay? The page, contact choice. Here is my page. Here is my form. All I have to do is publish the page. Upper right corner of the screen, the blue button. Page published. Now let's review the results we got. Here is my form, and here is my drop-down menu. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.